How to fix Microsoft Print to PDF not working on your Windows computer. So to go and fix this issue, first just open up your Start menu, go in search for Run and click on the Run icon. Now in the search box, type in the word optional features.exe and then press enter. Scroll down the list until you see Microsoft Print to PDF. Make sure this option is ticked and then go and press OK. Next step is to open up your Start menu, search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices, then scroll down and click on Printers and Scanners. And from here, you should be able to find Microsoft Print to PDF. Now, if you don't see this, click on Add Device. After a couple of seconds, select Add a new device manually. Click on Add a local printer or network printer and press Next. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Print to File. Click on Next. Now click on Microsoft and click on Windows Update. Now give this a couple of seconds while it goes and updates the list of printers on your computer. So after about 5 minutes, you should see a full list of all of your printers. We can then scroll down on the left-hand side until you find Microsoft. Go and click on Microsoft from this list here. Scroll down in the right-hand side until you see Print to PDF. So go and click on Microsoft Print to PDF and then press Next. Click on Use the driver that is currently installed, press Next, and click on Next. You can then press Finish, and you should now have this service called Microsoft Print to PDF. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.